Hi, it's the Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. I got a box in the mail that I wanted to share with you, and I was like, wait, what is this? What? And it wasn't until I opened it that I realized what it was, because it had this beautiful pink paper. This is my beauty pie order. If you're not familiar with beauty pie, it's kind of like the Costco of beauty, where they bring you beauty pie branded products that are made by luxury labs all around the world at an extremely reduced price. And it's kind of like the clubhouse of beauty. And I've heard about it for so long. I've heard so many people talk about it, and I've almost signed up for beauty pie like probably maybe 15 or 18 times, and I just could never do it. And so what I did recently was I stopped my BoxyCharm subscription. I decided it was time for me to try something different, and I thought this would be great because instead of getting whatever BoxyCharm decides to send me based on my preferences, I could actually go through and specifically pick what I want. So this is a lot more expensive than my monthly BoxyCharm subscription. But the one thing that's great about this is that everything in here I'm going to be able to use because it's specific to my needs, as opposed to sometimes they send me a lip liner I don't like, or a mascara that flakes, or a liquid lipstick that I'll never wear. The idea of this is that I only order what I think would work for me, and I know what my skincare needs are. I know what my ability is to use body products. I know what my makeup loves. And you hear that? That's my dog. She's like scratching in her bed trying to, she's not moving anything because it's all sewn in there, but she's trying to get settled. You done? Have a seat. It's okay. There you go. All right. So the idea here is that I know my preferences well enough to know what I think is going to be able to work for me, for my skin type, for the type of body care that I like. So I wanted to get into it. I haven't opened any of it yet. When I realized what it was, I stopped. So I love that everything comes in really pretty pink tissue paper. Oh, okay, what do I have here? I don't know. Okay, so the first thing here is this. This is the Super Retinol Anti-Aging Hand Treatment. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. And now I'm like, oh, good choice. So you're getting 2.5 ounces in this little squeezy tube. Comes with a little foil closure, but let's take some off and put some on. So my hands have been like, I've been trying to be better about taking care of my hands, but all of this hand washing and hand sanitizer has really turned my hands into massive gator paws. Like, seriously. Oh, that looks so much more hydrated, just that. But the great thing about this being a retinol treatment for your hands is it's going to really address some of the fine lines that I've got going on. It's going to seriously address some of the hyperpigmentation, those little spots you get on the back of your hands. But that also means I'm going to need to wear SPF on my hands. I already do that, but look at the difference. This definitely looks more hydrated. All right, excited to have that. The next thing here is the Uber Youth Re-Elastic Concentrate Serum. 1.69 ounces. I love that these are not just a 1 fluid ounce. That really is fantastic. So this is what this looks like. It's supposed to be firming, lifting, smoothing with plant elastopeptides and hyaluronic acid. So plumping with the hyaluronic acid and those peptides. And if it really does, I read really great reviews that this does help. And I'm thinking about like my little turkey waddle down here. And some of the, you may not know this, but I've lost about 100 pounds over the course of 2.5 years. And I can really tell like right here that it's not all where it started out. I'm just gonna be totally honest. So having been much more overweight than I am now, I definitely am starting to see like a little bit of jolly going on. We may be past the point where anything can help, but I thought that I would give this a shot. It's like Christmas. The next product here is one that I'm very excited to try. This is their Super Retinol. This is their high dose intensive booster treatment. So this is supposed to be something that you use for short periods of time. They recommend a month at a time. It's very high dose retinol, and so they're suggesting also that if you don't regularly use retinol, that you buffer this, which means that you would use equal parts of this treatment with a moisturizer. You would mix them together and apply it to your face so that you don't get just straight retinol, and that's so that you don't end up with red, dry, flaky, irritated, reacting skin. So I'll probably start with that, and I'm hoping that after a week or two I'll just be able to apply just this. And my goal for this is to help, you know, recover some of the maybe I'm past that point again. I've said that before, but I feel like my crow's feet are coming in real hard. I feel like 2020 has left its mark on my face between the stress leading up to my brain surgery and just the situation we find ourselves in right now. There's been a lot of worry, and it's starting to show up here, and I'm hoping this can help recover some of that territory. Ooh, what's this? I forgot I ordered a brush. This is the Seamless Foundation Buffing Brush. So all of the brushes from Beauty Pie are cruelty-free and synthetic, and I always love trying, ooh, this is so soft. I always love trying something new, but super, super, super soft. My favorite, it's not clean right now, my favorite one has been the It Cosmetics Love is the Foundation brush, but I was hoping that I'd be I'm to be forever interrupted. This is like the 5th interruption. That's okay. Let's get back to it. So I'm excited to try this. This feels remarkably soft. It does have a very similar soft feeling to brushes that I've tried from It Cosmetics before. And I tend to like synthetic brushes for foundation and concealer. But this one, I think it's not quite as large as this one. This one is a little bit bigger, but not much. I think it'll do a good job. Excited to try this. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's just like skincare heaven right now. This is the Super Active Capsules. This is the Pure Double Vitamin C, Vitamin E. All right, so these little guys, they're literally these little gelatin capsules where you twist off the top, you squish out the serum, you put it on your face. Sorry about that. And I'm excited to try these. They have a lot of different ones. I think 3 or 4 different types. And this one, I think, you know, since it's vitamin C, it's supposed to be for brightening the skin tone, for helping with hyperpigmentation, and that is always my goal. So I'm excited to try these. Ah, the Plantastic. That's right. This is the Deep Nourishing Moisture Balm. This looks like a really interesting product. It's supposed to be you can use it on your face, but just a balm for your body that is softening, smoothing, protecting, and it has like plant stem cells in it. So, ooh. It has kind of a fresh, slightly herbally scent to it. Let's see what this feels like. This is nice. I was thinking more, it said balm. I was thinking more along the lines like the Blue Cocoon from May Lindstrom, or the balm that they have from Peach and Lily, or like balm.com from Glossier, something a little bit thicker, a little bit more emollient. This feels like a really beautiful face cream. And I just finished one this morning, like literally last of the jar. So guess what's going on the counter for tonight? This does say that you can use it anywhere you need it. You can use it on your hands, your face, your knees, your elbows, your décolleté, like everywhere, all over your body. And you're getting 1.69 ounces. I do like that you're getting more than just 1 ounce in all of these. I've said that before, but it really is a huge, big deal. And I appreciate that it's not just the 1 ounce or a half an ounce for an eye cream. They're giving you more than what you would normally get if you were to go to the drugstore or to the department store or to the specialty makeup or beauty store and get a face cream. So I have 2 items left, and the last 2 things in here, I know what they are. These are both body products. And the first thing that I was really excited to try was this. This is the Super Healthy Skin Deluxe Body Moisture Cream. And I am looking for a beautiful alternative to my $45 Boom Boom cream. Because, like, I love that stuff, but that's a lot to pay, isn't it? a lot. And this here is the same. It's 8.45 ounces. You get almost half an ounce more. But let's see what it smells like and what it feels like. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has a lovely citrus scent. Oh, that is nice. I love citrus scents. This is going to be delicious. Feeling this here. It has a very lovely, lightweight feel. It feels moisturizing, but it doesn't feel like it's really greasy. I think it all comes down to what is it going to feel like once I actually get it on my skin? Will it be as nourishing as long term as the Boom Boom Cream? Because that's the one thing I love, is that once I put the Boom Boom Cream on, I never feel like any part of my body is dry after that. And if I use it religiously, I have the softest skin. I do love the smell of the Boom Boom Cream because it's that caramel pistachio smell, but I'm a huge citrus lover, and this really kind of reminds me, it really reminds me of the Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine. That's a great scent. If you aren't familiar with it, they might have it at your local Sephora. But I remember before it was being sold at Sephora, I used to order it from the Atelier shop in New York City. It was just remarkable, and I love it so much. This really smells like that, which is great because then it might go really well if I was wearing that as a fragrance. The other thing that I got was the accompanying Nourishing body polish for the shower. You pull this little lid off here. Ooh. This is just a slightly different scent. It smells more like buttery. It doesn't sound good. But it definitely smells more, doesn't have the same bright citrus orange scent to it. But it's a sugar scrub. Oh, that'll be nice. It does have the same scent, but it's not nearly as heavy as the body cream. Oh, that's really, really nice. I think that's going to be great in the shower to exfoliate. It's been a long time since I found a body scrub that I can use in the shower that doesn't leave like a really thick layer of oil or residue, so that if you take one misstep, you're like, shoo, you land on your back and you whack your head. But I'm excited to try this. I'll tell you, I think the packaging is so nice for all of these. It feels very luxe. I like that it's white with just plain writing on it. And again, here you're getting, oh, this is even more, 12.16 ounces. I don't remember what the club prices were for these, but I will have to list them down below for you. I'm still trying to figure out how Beauty Pie works. When I signed up for it, I was sure that I would pay $30 and then I'd be able to use those $30 that I already spent to, if this was like $11, if this was $7, if this was something else, until I got up to my $30. Apparently that's not how it works. $30 gives you, the way I understand it now, and I could be totally wrong, let me know in the comments down below if you're a Beauty Pie person, and this is my first month and I'm totally getting it crazy. But my understanding is I pay $30. That gives me $300 worth of buying power. And that would mean that if this Plantastic's moisturizing balm would normally retail for a major label at about $80, I get $300 worth of that regular price tag price. So this might retail normally for $80, but they're selling it for $18 on Beauty Pie. So I'm able to drop it in into my account, and then it goes through, it subtracts the $30, and then I pay the rest. So all of this stuff here I ended up paying $111 for. And I think it's actually really great because I would not be able to get this much skincare, body care. I have that retinol hand lotion. I have both the body scrub. You know how much the Boom Boom body scrub is? They've got a new body scrub, and they have, I would have paid almost $100 just for the duo alone. I think it's really, really fantastic. So I'm gonna have to let you know. I will drop my monthly subscription from 30 down probably to 10 after I try enough things. But my goal is to try stuff that I've never tried before, and hopefully it's exactly what I need at a reduced price. Beauty Pie, The Ordinary, Inky List, Good Molecules. There's a lot of places that are doing really gorgeous, gorgeous, effective skincare at a reasonable price. And my goal is to quit paying the extraordinary, crazy luxury prices but still get high quality products. So I'll have to get back to you and let you know how my Beauty Pie stuff works. Let me know if you've heard about Beauty Pie, if you are a Beauty Pie member, if you are one of those people who is like, I don't go through that much beauty products. I obviously do. I should do a empties video sooner than later because my bag is just filling up. But I do go through a lot of body care products, a ton of skincare products, and being able to find things at a much lower price point really delights my heart. My goal is that these are going to work just as marvelously as the reviews say they do. Thank you so much for watching today. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.